I'll use the Amana tool 46473 in my demonstration. First, I'll create a workspace. It doesn't matter whether you work in millimeters or inches, but I'll use metric measurements in my demonstrations, because that's what I'm used to. The main thing is to understand the principle. Next, create a mirror image of the shape. For the pocket, I usually set the start depth at 0, and the flat depth at 6 mm. In my opinion, this is more than enough for an average inlay. Press on the blank firmly. I'll show you what places you need to pay attention to. When I cut off the plug, I always take a little more off the surface to make sure that I don't have visible glue gaps after the board is sanded. As we can see, the inlay fit is quite tight.